Hello guys, welcome to day 3 update of the Call Condor for the July monthly expiry. So I have not done the day 1 and day 2 update of the Call Condor. So let's see the day 3 update. So we have got the Call Condor taken on Tuesday. Tuesday is 20th of July. We have taken the Call Condor because last week we have closed the Call Condor in a loss. So since it is a monthly expiry, so we have taken the positions on Tuesday itself. Normally we will take it on Friday. So Tuesday we have taken the positions which is 15,400, 15,500, 16,000 and 16,100. So the premiums what we have taken are here. So 303 we have taken 15,400, 227 we have taken 15,500, 24.17 16,000 and about 15 rupees on 16,100. So right now the position is running at about 5,000 rupees profit because I have taken the ICICI Bank covered call. I am holding 1375 shares of ICICI Bank. So I have written a August, not July, August covered call of 740 CE. I have sold it at about 4.5 rupees. Right now it is running in a minor loss. That is okay. Tomorrow probably this will pick up because ICICI Bank has posted very good results. So this will pick up. So that time probably means I'll go and sell a put and then collect additional credit and then make this as a strangle. So that is what I am planning to do. So coming back to the Call Condor, we have got about 5,100 rupees of profit running on the Call Condor. The market has gone up a little bit. So 15,856. So that is why we are having a loss in the bear call spread, but the bull call spread is very handsome profit. About 7k of profits are there in the bull call spread, and we are losing about 1,600 700 rupees on the bear call spread. Okay, so let's go through our Excel file. So there are till now there are no adjustments made. So the positions what you have seen in the trading account, so the positions are already updated. Here it is 6 lots because for the monthly expiry it has become 50 quantity of Nifty is 50 quantity for the F&O. So we have taken 300 quantities which is equal to the 6 lots. So what we have done, bull call we have paid about 76 points, bear call we have collected about 9 points only. This is basically on the slippage. I could not come very closer because 16,000 is a very good resistance. I don't want to come to 15,900. 15,900 has given trouble for last 2-3 weeks for us. So that is why means I am not very much inclined to take 15,900 16k. So I have taken 16k and 16,100. That is why we have collected less points on the bear call spread. So net we have paid about 67 points, and our cost of the Call Condor is about 20k. That is going to be our maximum loss also, and the maximum profit is about 9.8k. We have our upper break even which is 16,032. 16,000 is a very good resistance. So 16,032 is above the resistance level. So reasonably safe here. And the lower break even is 15,467. 15,500 is a very strong support, and our lower break even is lesser than that. So this is also relatively safe. So our risk reward ratio is 1:0.49. You can say 1:0.5. So we are risking 2 rupees to make 1 rupee. Okay. The margin required is similar like the previous week, somewhere around 2 lakhs. That is what I take. So it is about 2,08,000 rupees. And for this week, the ROCE, return on capital employed, is about 4.7%. The spot when taken, it is at 15,630. Right now the spot is at 15,850. So it has gone up 220 points, but still the Call Condor is in profit. Okay, that is mainly due to the time decay and the increase what has happened in the bull call spread. We are losing in bear call spread, but that is okay. The time decay will kick in, and then the bear call spread will also become profitable if the market is below 16,000. Okay, so the VIX was at 13.54. Right now the VIX is 11.76. So this is a VIX has crashed. It's a decreasing VIX for us. Okay, the market has gone up, but the VIX has come down. Okay, so the position time taken is here. It's about 10:30 on the 20th of July. So I'll update for the first one. The first day closure, we have closed it at about 600 rupees profit. On the second day, the one day was off because of Bakrid, so one day was off. So 22nd was the weekly expiry day. That day we closed up by about 4,400 rupees. The Call Condor was doing very well, and on Friday we have closed at about 5,151 rupees, which is 52% of our max profit. Our max profit is 9846, so that is the 52% of our max profit we have closed. We will see how the market behaves. So if the market is going to move up because of the Reliance results, ICICI Bank results, if the market is moving up, probably we will cut short in our run, and then we will book whatever profit is available there, maybe tomorrow or day after. Whatever profit is available on table, we will book and come out, or we will book and come out on cost to cost basis. This week we are not going to make any loss. Let us see means how it goes, and I'll keep you updated. Hello guys, welcome to day 5 of the Call Condor. Today the market did not move anywhere. It was just hovering around 15,850, 15,820 kind of levels. So the Call Condor has moved into a very good profit zone. Just 3 days to go for expiry. So you can see the spread has reduced to about 5 rupees. Normally it is not 5 rupees. This will get corrected by tomorrow morning opening. Right now this is deep in the money, so this should be trading at somewhere about 2 to 3 points only. So this should get reflected tomorrow. So right now the Call Condor is in a very good profit of about 6,000 rupees. So it's just 9 rupees shorts of 6,000. So we have got about 61% of the total profits available for the Call Condor for this week. We have not made any adjustment as of now. Means the spot is still hovering around our sell strikes only. Our sell strikes are 15,500 and 16,000, so it is somewhere in the middle only. So we have 3 days to go. Let us see means how this performs. Right now the Call Condor is in very good profit. Today I have taken the strangle position in ICICI Bank. Initially I had sold a covered call 740 CA. I sold. I am holding 1375 stocks of ICICI Bank. My average price is about 413 rupees. That is what is my average price. Let us see where my average price is. I have already updated in this file also. The average price is, the average price is about 414 rupees. My purchase price average is 433. Since I am doing the covered call and cash secured put regularly from May onwards, that has given me a return of about 25k. So my average price right now has come down to 414. If I sell any covered call above 414, I am profitable here. Okay. So I have taken a strangle position. So this was like a kind of mistake because ICICI Bank results were day before yesterday. So I went and sold 740 by Friday close. I should not have done that, but there is no damage done. ICICI Bank closed just the same amount, the same price of its previous close. It has reacted to the results. It has gone up, then it has come down also a bit. So today I have taken the position of 600 PE at around 3 rupees 25 paisa. So now it is trading down 2 rupees 65 paisa. So the profit is already means there. It is unrealized profit. So the strangle is already like 1,150 rupees of profit. So if you minus that with this, so that is what is going to be our Call Condor profit. The Call Condor is doing really well. Let's see means how it goes. That's all for the update today. I'll see you tomorrow, end of the day update. Hello guys, welcome to day 5 of the Call Condor. We have taken July positions on 20th of July. So this is the monthly expiry positions. The Call Condor is doing extremely well. So today we have got further the profit has further increased. You can see the spread is somewhere around 6 points. This should get corrected by tomorrow, because this is what I'm seeing since last 2-3 days. By the close of the market, this ITM spread, it increases. Means you can see this is 340 and this is 246, and we are about 250 points in the money. Means 5 strikes in the money, but it is still 2 days to go for expiry. It is trading at about 6 points difference. So it's normally should not be 6 points. This should be somewhere about 2.5 points to 2 points. Means that should be the ideal difference. But right now it is trading at about 6 points. This should get corrected by tomorrow morning. The OTM spread, it's a long way to go. Means another 250 points to go. So the OTM spread is decaying like anything. Yesterday the OTM spread was like neck to neck, but today you can see it has almost like double. The gain is equal double to the loss. So things are looking good for the Call Condor. I hope this week we will be closing in a max profit. Today I have already asked in the group for the people who have taken the Call Condor to book profits, because the market, the VIX is quite low and the market is very volatile. If you have cash and you have experience in adjusting the Call Condor, you can hold it till the expiry. If you are taking for the first time or the second time, so better close it with about 70-75% of profit if you get. So better close and come out, just take the risk off the table. Okay, so let's update our Excel file with the current values. We will see how much profit we have got. So this is day 5. So we are at 27th. So 340.1 to 46.4, 340.1 to 46.4, and the bear call spread is 410 and 255. 410 and 255. So we will copy this and then we'll paste it here. So we are about 7,500 rupees of profit. So today the market closed at 46. So we will paste it here. So we are in a very good profit. So we increased our profits by about 1,450 rupees. We have increased the profit from yesterday. We have 2 more days to go. So 28th, 29th is the monthly expiry day. So let us see means how the Call Condor works out. Let's basically like analyze this position before we close for today. Let us analyze this position. So what we have here, sensible, yeah, slowly it's coming up. Yeah, right now you can see means the position is at about 7488 profit, but 2-3 rupees difference is okay. Our max profit is 9843 and our max loss is 20157. It's about 2-3 rupees difference is there. I don't know why 2-3, and our probability of profit now is about 83%. So when we started somewhere about 60%. So now it is about 83%, and we are almost close. Means we are very close to the max profit. The one I have already got in the sensible. Let me open that for you. Yep, you can see this is our payoff graph for the Call Condor position what we have taken. So our max profit is 9846, max loss is 20154, 20,154. That is what we paid to take the Call Condor. That is our maximum loss. So right now we are almost there. Means you can see the strike is right at the middle. Means our strike is, the spot is right here, and our sell strikes are this and this are our sell strikes. We are right in the middle with 2 days to go for expiry. So we are almost close to the max profit. So our max profit is 9846, but we are somewhere very close to 7,500 rupees of profit. So we got another 1,500 rupees profit. This will get adjusted because of this spread difference. We are having this profit. It is somewhere about 8,200-300 rupees of profit. Once this spread gets adjusted, we should be seeing good profit tomorrow morning. And here we have got about like less than 2 rupees. Less than 2 rupees means about less than 600 rupees is left here. The remaining is here. So tomorrow if the market opens flat or mildly up, mildly down, does not matter. So all this would get corrected and this will decay further and this spread will reduce further. So we should be seeing some good profit. It will not be a surprise if we can close the call condor tomorrow itself. Let us see means how it goes. If I get about 9,000 rupees of profit, probably I will close it. No need to wait till the expiry day, so we can close it before also. So let's close it for today. So this is what we have got. It is going very well. Just update on the ICICI Bank cash secured put and covered call. Means covered call is basically selling a CE. Cash secured put is selling a PE. So this is a strangle. So I don't consider this as a strangle. This is considered as a covered call because I am already holding 1375 quantity amount of shares in my demat. So I am just writing a call against that. My average price is about 413 rupees. So I am writing 740. So if I have to deliver for 740, I'll deliver. It's not a problem. I'll be getting a very good profit. And I have cash to take delivery of 1375 shares at 600. So this is a covered call and this is a cash secured put. So that position is currently giving about 3,100 rupees of 3,100 plus rupees of gain. It is showing because ICICI Bank did not move much today. You can see ICICI Bank, it did not move. Means it went up in the morning, but since Dr. Reddy Labs results came today, which are bad results, so the whole market went down. Then slowly means it picked up. So ICICI Bank moved here and there, but at the end it closed where yesterday it was. So when the stock is not moving, the out of the money options will start losing value. So that is what has happened, and we have got very reasonable gains here. And the call condor, naturally, like what we discussed, it is doing really well. We are having a good profitable day today. Today many people, lot of stop losses were hit, means those people were doing intraday. Our positions, we don't have to worry, means we are fully hedged, so there is no need to worry too much, and we are doing very well. Our break even ranges are quite high. You can see where our break evens are. Means our break even is 15,467 and 16,032. So 15,467 is here and 15,500 is a very good support zone, and 16,000 or 15,900 itself is a very good resistance. We are about 132.7. You can see how the market can move in couple of days. This is July position. This is one standard deviation, means the ATM CE and ATM PE premiums are added. So that is added to the spot is one standard deviation, that is subtracted from the spot is minus one standard deviation. If they do it two times, it is two standard deviations. So all the standard deviations are within our sell strikes. So this week probably we will close with the maximum profit. Let's see how it goes. Nothing much to add. Today was a very good day for us. Hello guys, welcome to day 7 of the Call Condor, or I would say day 8 of the Call Condor. We have taken the Call Condor positions on 20th of July. So today is 28th of July. This is a Wednesday. Wednesdays are generally very volatile days for since this COVID issue started. Wednesdays are considered as a mini expiry. Today the market was too volatile. Let us just see the chart for today. You will know how volatile it was. I'll go to 5 minutes chart. So this is a daily chart. So I'll go through the 5-minute chart. This is today for you. It started like this. The first candle itself was about 100-point down candle, and at the end the market recovered, means, but you can see the V-shape recovery here, means it went down till 11 o'clock. Then we just made a good doji candle. You can see, means this is like a hammer. So from here it just recovered completely, means just within like 15-20 minutes it recovered almost half of it. Then towards the end of the day, means we recovered almost completely, means we opened at somewhere about 15,761 and we closed at somewhere about 15,714. It's only a 50 point down for the today, but if you see the full picture, 50 points is nothing, but you see means how the market moved. At one point we went down to 15,514. Means we started at 15,761, we went to 15,514. That is almost 250 points. Means from the start of the day, 250 points. Then eventually we recovered fully, not 100%, but we recovered almost like 80-85% we recovered. This is a very, very volatile day. Let us come back to our call condor. So this is our call condor. The ICICI Bank is still there. Now you see at the end the ICICI Bank went up by about 1.12%. So the call has started bleeding. So it is still under a minor profit, but yesterday the profit was quite high. So now it has started bleeding a little bit, but the puts did not come down, means it is still holding the value, but it is still there. But as the call condor together, the call condor is almost at the max profit for this week. Let us see the Excel file. I have updated the Excel file. So we have not done any adjustments for this week. We are still holding our original positions only. Our max profit is 9846. This is our max profit for the call condor. Now we are at 9351. It is just another 500 rupees to get. And tomorrow is the expiry day, means we have got just 500 rupees to get. Probably in the morning itself, means I'll simply go and close it. If we are opening flat, there will not be anything left in any of these premiums. So we will just go and close it. If 200-300 rupees less is not a big deal. Today I should have closed, I could not close, but I will close it tomorrow morning, or yeah, tomorrow morning closure should be much better. You don't want to keep it, because just for 500 rupees I don't want to risk. So we'll go and close it tomorrow. If it opens flat, means if it opens gap up, gap down, and there is a good amount of premium is left in the ITM, because OTM I don't think we will have anything left, because 16,000 is somewhere about 300 points away. In the morning opening itself, this will come less than 1 rupee. There is nothing will be left, but the ITM premiums will still have something. The spread will be there. Right now you see the spread is only 1 rupee. So tomorrow if it is like 2 rupees, 3 rupees, then I have to wait for the premiums to converge to 1 rupee or less than 1 rupee, then probably like I'll go and close it. Okay. So this week we are going to close, hope so, we are going to close at the max profit. Let's see, means today the call condor went into loss briefly, means when like during this candle, because I was waiting for the 15,500 to breach and sustain there, so that I can move this spread a little bit above. I was waiting for that, but that did not happen. So what happened was, it went down. The low was, you can see the low was 15,514. It did not go down. Then from there it eventually means recovered, so could not do. But when it went here, when it went down, the call condor was at about 1,000 rupees loss. But since it recovered, then there is much less time left in the for the expiry, so the whole profit basically recovered, and we closed above what was our profit yesterday. Our yesterday's profit was 8181, that is our profit. But today we closed another 1200 rupees above. 9351 is what is our profit right now. So we have got another 500 rupees to take, little less than 500 rupees to take. Probably we will take it tomorrow morning, whatever is available. We'll simply close and come out. Let's see means how it works out. This week probably a good week. From the day one the call condor was in profit, and today we have achieved almost the maximum profit. Just a very minor amount is left out. We will close it tomorrow. That's all for today. The ICICI Bank, the strangle is still on. Like I explained, the call side starts bleeding a little bit. If tomorrow ICICI Bank picks up again, if it goes to 700, probably this position will be going into a loss. So we have to manage this position. Let's see means how it goes. We don't know what will happen tomorrow, day after, or in the next week. Let us see. If ICICI Bank comes down a little bit, these calls will start losing premium like anything, because already this is a bit inflated, because 740 it is only 685. So we have got somewhere about 55 60 rupees there. 60 rupees is basically almost 8 to 9% of the current market price. 8 to 9% ICICI Bank can move. I am not telling it will not move, but in the beginning of the month, this premium is not a justified one. But that is what is the option premiums are. So if the ICICI Bank tomorrow, if it opens flat or it comes down by about 0.5% or like that, this premiums will go down like anything. Let us see means how it works out, and I'll keep you posted. Tomorrow is the expiry. Let us see means how things pan out. I'll see you on the closing video. Hello guys, welcome to the last day of our call condor. Today was the expiry. We all know that the expiry was done at 15,778. The market was a bit volatile today, not something what we can expect like the previous expiries, less volatile. It was a good market today, and more importantly, the spot has closed within the sell strikes of the call condor. Our sell strikes were 15,500 and 16,000. So the market closed somewhere right in the middle of our sell strike, and we have got our entire 9,846 rupees of profit. You can see the call condor, I have allowed it to expire. Two contracts or two strikes were expired in the money, and two strikes were expired out of the money. You can see it is 5 paisa and 5 paisa here, and here the premiums will be a bit different, but at the end it will be settled against the spot. So what will be the price of 15,400? I have already updated our Excel file. So 15,400 will settle at 378.45 and 15,500 will settle at 278.45, because our spot is at 15,778. So the premiums exactly means we have to minus it from the subtract it from the spot. So the difference is where it will get settled. So right now we have got 9,846 rupees. This is the 100% of our expected profit. We have closed it at the max profit. So since the market was less volatile, I have got few expiry trades. I have gone little bit higher. Normally I used to do 1.5 rupees. This time I have gone up to the 2 rupees. And I have already posted means how I kept the stop loss and how I kept trailing the stop loss, always for a naked position during the expiry day. If at all you are doing a strangle, either you buy for OTM, hedge for getting a margin benefit. I normally don't go and buy, because my premium what I am getting for selling itself is very less. On this, if I am going and buying a hedge, it will not work out to be very profitable. So what I do, I keep trailing the stop loss. Initial stop loss will be double the premium. If the premium doubles, the SLM will hit and I'll exit the trade. Means if at all I lose in this contract, if I lose, I'll be losing 1,260 rupees. Nothing more than that. Here it is about 1,200 rupees. So you have to keep your stop losses little bit tighter and keep on trailing. When it comes down, keep about like 1 rupee means away from your premium. You can keep it as a stop loss. Right now I have kept about double. Then once the premium starts going down, you can keep on trailing. For every like 50 paisa, you can trail your stop loss by 50 paisa. This is what I normally do. Most of the time this has worked. If it does not work, sometimes some spike will be there, the stop loss will be hit, and then the price will reverse. So those cases also we have to consider. When like that cases happen, it will happen. So simply take the loss and then re-enter the position. Means just assess the market how it is going and then re-enter the positions. Today nothing of that sort has happened, so it has gone out very smoothly. And in the expiry trades we have got about 2,340 rupees of profit. So together, let us forget the expiry profit. We will talk only about the call counter profit. The actual profit will be much higher because of the expiry trade profits. So the actual profit what we got on the call counter is 9,846, which is our maximum profit this week. Last week we made a loss. You can see the last week one is here. So last week we made a loss of 8,200 plus rupees. This week we have already made our profit, full profit we have made. This was a good week for us. So we were in the trade for a much longer time. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, 7 plus the 2 days what over the weekend. So total the trade was for 9 days. So it has worked out well. From the day 1 onwards, the Call Condor was in very good profit. The third day it was a little, because the market spiked up very much, so it was a little bit here and there, but it has worked out very well. Yesterday, the Call Condor actually went into loss. I already explained in the previous section that it went into the loss, but again, everything got recovered and we got back our profit. And it is good that this week we closed in with our maximum profit. So let's see, I'll catch up with you tomorrow morning, that is Friday morning, for the weekly expiry of August 5. August 5 weekly expiry, we will be taking positions. So I'll update you there. So right now we have got a good setup. We have closed it in profit, and the ICICI Bank cash secured put and covered call are doing well. Still means the CE side is still, I think it will give trouble in the coming week. Let us see means how it works out. PE side is relatively safe. We are very much away also. You can see where the it is 687, somewhere right in the middle, because from here say 60 rupees up, 60 rupees down, it is somewhere like that. So this is still okay. Let us see means how it works out. The market was good today, and important thing is we have closed it with a very good profit. I'll catch you up in the next week's video. Signing off, this is JR. May the markets be with you. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab. So do not forget to check that from time to time.